Today we'll be installing a right-hand end panel, like so, onto the post frame that was pre-fitted with a separate set of instructions. So on the back of this you'll have a bag with the contents. Simply peel the bag off, place it down here, set this aside so it doesn't fall over. I'll empty out these contents and I'll explain what each piece does. So you should receive one of these. This roughly gets positioned halfway, like so, using small dog point screws that are provided. You'll have 2 long screws, they go at the top, 2 self-tapper screws that go down the bottom. I'll get started. Usually halfway between the top and the bottom is a good starting point. I'm going to test this. That is now secure. You'll now grab the end panel, hold it up. The idea is to have this as close as you can to the wall. So just roughly, I'll work out where that sits. So these holes will need to line up with the 2 big holes at the top there. So in this instance, one through here, one through here, up high. Like so. Sometimes it's easy to crawl in. Now that I've got that on, 2 nuts on the back. Finger tight at this stage. Pull back up. You'll notice that you will have 2 small screws left over. They need to go where that top hat was fitted on each end, like so. Loose at this stage, nothing's tight. On the low torque setting again, the 2 self-tapper screws in line with the posts go through the bottom. Now tighten these ones. And finally, we'll tighten the last ones at the top. Using a 7/16 spanner on the low torque setting, I'll go through. And installation complete.